The government has issued an expression of interest inviting Indian firms, public, private, or consortiums, to co-develop, prototype, flight test, and certify the 5th-generation Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, AMCA. This marks India's most ambitious military research and development initiative to date, with an initial 15,000 crore rupees budget earmarked for prototype development, potentially scaling to several lakh crore for full production. The Aeronautical Development Agency requires bidders to demonstrate comprehensive capabilities in design assimilation, engineering, manufacturing, integration, testing, and certification. Applicants must be Indian companies, with the bid window open until 16 August 2025. A pre-bid conference is scheduled in early this month. The project timeline mandates prototype completion in 8 years, targeting first flight by 2029, full development by 2034, and mass production by mid-2030s. The AMCA program enters a competitive model allowing public and private contenders such as Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Tata Advanced Systems, Adani Defence, and Larsen & Toubro to participate. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh praised the move as bold and decisive, aligning with Make in India goals and aiming to rejuvenate India's squadrons, currently below the sanctioned 42, with China fielding modern J-20 stealth jets. The program also seeks to overcome past delays in the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited-built Tejas Mark 1A. That project, historically delayed, from engine supply setbacks to development hurdles, has impeded deliveries. 83 jets ordered in 2021 are yet to be fully delivered, with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited citing General Electric engine delays resolved only in 2025. As India faces an urgent need to replenish Indian Air Force squadrons, currently operating just 31 instead of 42, the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, AMCA, initiative represents a pivotal leap toward long-term aerial supremacy.